What's up, y'all? So this video, I'm going to I need to pull down my Docker application. So I'm going to remove some Docker containers and add a new Docker container and add a new image. So give me one sec. I think I can make this larger. Hold on. Zoom in. All right, cool. So last time I updated this image, it was about 6 weeks ago. So I need to remove that image. That's old. This image is old. Docker 29 I can remove. This is old. Pretty much I can remove all of these images. Yeah, let's do a little cleanup. Let's try something. Okay, that didn't work. Oh, yes it did. That's stupid. All right. Before you can remove an image, you have to remove the containers. So let's look at the containers. I have 2 containers. Let's do an awk. What the hell? Print. So that's my container IDs. So, all right, so I don't have any containers right now. Do this. Let's do that same alt command. So change that to 3. All right. Look at my image IDs. Alright, whatever. I'll keep those for now. I have a Docker file here that I'm going to use to build my new image. This is all set up. I tested this already on my development machine, so I just need to push it out. Alright, so I'm going to do a Docker build. If I can spell it right. Give it a tag. I'm just going to call it latest. This normally takes about 15 minutes on my laptop. I'm not sure how long it's going to take on my server, but we'll see. Alright, let me pause the video and I'll come back once the image has been built.